Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way for employees to access pay stubs and tax forms via Gusto. When I first started a job that used Gusto for payroll, accessing my documents felt like a little puzzle. Turns out it's incredibly simple, and the system is designed to give you secure access to everything you need, whether it's your latest paycheck details or your year-end W-2. The best and most reliable way to access everything is through your Gusto employee profile online, or by using the Gusto Wallet mobile app. Online access for pay stubs and tax forms. The main portal is your go-to for everything. Sign in. You start by signing in to your Gusto employee account on the web. This is the account you set up when you were first on board. If you ever forget your password or the email you use, Gusto has simple recovery tools. Finding pay stubs. Once you're logged in, finding your pay stubs is a breeze. Look for the Pay section, which is usually right in the main navigation. Clicking there takes you to your payment history. All your paychecks, current and past, are listed. You just click on the date you want to view, and then you have the option to download PDF to print or save the actual pay stub. Finding tax forms, W-2S divided by 1099S. This is just as straightforward. For tax forms like your W-2 or 1099 in EC, you head to the Documents section in your profile. You'll see a specific folder or tab for tax documents. This is where Gusto stores all your year-end forms. They typically become available around mid-January for the previous year. Just click on the form you need for the correct year. And again, you can download the PDF to file your taxes. The mobile app advantage. For quick, on-the-go access, the Gusto Wallet app is fantastic. I use it constantly. Real-time notifications. You get a notification right on your phone when a new pay stub is available, which is usually on your payday. Easy viewing. In the app, you just go to the Pay tab to see a breakdown of your current and past checks. Documents on hand. Even your tax forms are accessible through the app under the Documents section. I've used this more than once when I needed my W-2 info quickly. The great thing about Gusto is that this account is a lifetime account. Even if you change jobs and your new company doesn't use Gusto, you still maintain access to your old pay stubs and tax forms. It's a huge benefit for keeping your financial records organized for years to come. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.